To stay prepared for your period at school, create a simple DIY period kit using a discreet pencil pouch, makeup bag, or any small container. Include essential supplies like pads or tampons, enough for a full day. And consider a reusable menstrual cup for convenience. Stash a pad or tampon in a tissue container for discreet bathroom trips, and keep wipes on hand for freshness, opting for unscented to avoid irritation. It's wise to pack an extra pair of underwear and black leggings for emergencies, along with a watertight bag for used items. Adding chocolate, bananas, or herbal tea can help ease cramps, and don't forget over-the-counter pain relievers, ensuring they're permitted at school. Lastly, prepare in advance by keeping a menstrual product in your pocket just in case. This way you can navigate your school day with confidence and ease.